Very interesting.
Which one?
You mean Boob Boy?
His arrest video where he got arrested for being outside the man's house with a loaded gun.
Yeah, it was just for loitering.
Yeah, it's not a big charge. And 1 minute, guys. Send me your available balance. All right. Send me your available balance now. I'll check again at 9 o'clock as well. Jimpo, your available balance. Sorry. Total equity. I want to see total equity. You can send a screenshot or you can just type it. 50. Jimpo's at 50,295. So he's up 295 so far. Cupcake total equity. Cupcake 51,306.91. 6.9172. So Cupcake's up over. Let me type this again. He's up about $1,300 so far. Dave, 41,000. Are you sure you put total equity? Is that right? Total equity. Make sure you're sending me total equity. Because there's a big difference. Oh. I'll put you 41,000 right now, Dave, but I want to make sure you guys are putting total equity. Joe Pina, 48,821.
Man, I'm short 10K, man. Come on.
Wow. Okay. Batter Virus is at up $10 total. He's at $50,010. Mike P, total equity 50,208. I can't even see that well. You guys are taking pictures with your phones instead of screenshots. 50,208 for Mike P.
We're in panic mode, Tame. We just want to win.
Tell one.
50,500. I'm out.
Tell one. 49,750.
Yo, Tim, let me get $1 million Doge real quick. I know you got all the money, fam. Stop playing.
I can't give you $1 million Doge. You're gonna get in trouble, and I'm gonna get in trouble by the IRS.
What's up with you? No, I know you got all the money, man. Stop playing.
It's interesting how I got all the money. Well, most of it's crypto. Actually, I got very lucky. But how do you get lucky in crypto? What do you have to do to get lucky in crypto, guys?
Man, you gotta be patient and be focused.
You got to be there at your computer, like looking for everything, checking Twitter, checking the charts for like 10 hours a day, and then finally you'll find something. You'll be lucky.
Yeah, stop playing with him, man. Hey, Tim is the man. Tim is the man. Hey, anybody mess with Tim, he messing with me. You heard? You know how we come in.
Alex Tudo, 49,450 as well. Some of you guys copying each other? Tell one. Total equity 49,000. 49,916. Okay. Mike's make money. You there? What about Fly NFTs? What's your total equity at right now, buddy?
49,060.
$49,060. Thank you. Are you still in the Philippines or did you go back home?
Oh, I'm back, man. I went to the Gold Coast in Australia after that, and now I'm home finally.
Okay. What is on my shirt? I have something white on my shirt right here.
You haven't had Joe Biden around, have you?
No, my nose is clean. I don't do cocaine or anything like that. Like
Yeah,
it's,
but Joe
That-
Biden.
I don't know what this is. It might be baby throw up. I'm not sure.
When you're a dad, it doesn't matter. You just have shit everywhere on your t-shirt. It's great. Who cares? You're a dad.
Tony Montana.
Crypto bulls. Look at these charts. Oh yeah, man. Look
Hey,
at that.
Doge, that's how we coming. Tell them what time it is, man.
Uh, man. Goals is entering in competition very late, but got all the screenshots showing the position history, balance 50,000. So far, Cupcake is first place at 51,306 so far. Since we started the competition here, we already went from here. So this is where the competition started. I'm going to put a call out right here. So we started here, and we already had like a little bit of a push up for Bitcoin since we started. And that took about 10 minutes. We had a Bitcoin push up. Bitcoin got overbought. RSI is trying to cool down there. Parabolic SAR is downtrending as well for Bitcoin here. So there is some volatility in this competition. Some people will say there's no volatility, but when you go up at least 0.18% and start coming back down, retrace already at least 0.2%, there is volatility in this competition. Thank you, goals. How are you so far, Triple B trading? Are you up? You didn't send me your balance for the 30 minutes. That one says when the man comes after your demo trades. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. I like the demo trading because it gives you trades that you would not normally trade. Cocaine White Film says, will HETS ever move? HETS moves more than anything else on the charts over here. Like, HETS is the most volatile over here. Let me show you real quick. I'm going to make it full screen. This is my HETS chart, right? And this was one of my price targets, my goal right here. And did we hit the target? We hit the target. So I posted this in Discord the other day as well. And this was a local double top, a good point to take profits. Although you can see from the volume, not many people took profits there, but the ones that did are in a better spot because they took profits up here and then it came down. But I put the chart in Discord about this target at the 3 sits range. And then we have another one after that. But this is my HETS chart. So we hit the other day's target so far for hets at that 3 sits range. And now we have a new target at the 4-0. Let's go over here to the Discord. Let me show you. So look right here. This is my other account, Screenbot. On the 23rd, just 3 days ago, I said, who's going to take this free 4% spot trade on hets? Double bottom price target and chart. That double price target, 359, and this was the current price. 343 was the current price. Let me pop that a little bit more. So I put this in Discord, that free 4% trade, and not only did we go there, we hit it. So we had a nice dip right here too. So there's multiple entries before we hit there. But from the average of these green blocks to up there, that's about 5% move. And eventually hits when it doubles in price, it's going to be better. I was arguing with a guy on Twitter a while back, and I mentioned taking profit at 10 cents mean you could buy more hets when the price drops. The dude blocked me on Twitter. He calls himself a Hexican, but he doesn't want to talk about trading. He only wants to talk about staking. But we have room to 1,000% from down here at the bottom. This is where we're at now. Short-term target right here. This is my hets daily chart. So, I mean, theoretically, if you took profits at 10 cents for hets, if you did take profits at 10 cents and you buy back now, price is down 95%. So, if we go from this current price back up to 10 cents, that's about 3,700%. That's 37 times the money. So, 37 times 1,000 turns into over 37,000. Just food for thought. Food for thought. You have sell limits at 6 cents. That would be a nice move if we go up to 6. I gave people that free 4% trade 3 days ago. It took 3 days to earn 4% on spot. $3 days to earn 4% on spot. So when I made the chart, bottom 1, bottom 2, and that was on the 23rd. And what time on the 23rd did I post that? Like really early in it. Nope. 3:44 p.m. I wish I knew what candle I posted it on. Now the price is at 343. Let me add the timestamp on here from when we hit that target. Let me also add a price target as well. So it didn't take us long. It didn't take us long to hit it. But I think hets can go at least 1,000% from here. Going to 10 cents would be over 3,000%. Richard Hart was sued by the SEC, but I think after that lawsuit, it's going to help hets a lot better.
Hey, Tam, it's George. I got a question. I need some advice, some help, if you don't mind.
What's your question?
I remember you guys talking about this before, but MEXC for the take profit and stop loss. what we set them. I've been doing that, and I know you guys mentioned it's usually a market, but how do you set it so it'll actually hit the prices that you want it to hit?
A limit order. Don't do market. You can do limit order. You can't control where the price is going to go, but you can set a limit order so that if price goes there, you can take profits.
Sorry, team. I was AFK. Do you need to know my
Total
where I'm at?
equity. Yes.
Sam, 1 second. Uh, 50,155. 50,155.
51,000.
50,155.
Okay. I got it. Mike's Make Money. Are you still here? I was working on the sets chart. Mhm. But yeah, so I told you guys exactly where we're gonna go for that free 4%. And where did we go? Exactly there. Not a fraction above, not a fraction below. Look at that. So this was my Discord post on the 23rd. 3 days later, we're at that exact price target, 00359. What did I say that we're going to go to? 00359. And that was the result from double bottom. And this was price swing target up there. So we hit exactly right there. Some people, if you think that's going to be a target, you can set your sell limit a little bit lower. And if you really love the coin, you take your profit, then you do a buy limit when it drops 5-10% or so. Looks like Doge is trying to break out here. We are probably going to come up here and start liquidating some of the shorts for Doge. We touched exactly at that moving average for Bitcoin right there. Let me show you real quick. Let's expand it. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So I'm doing a little bit of TA while we're in this competition. But if you look right here, and look at the RSI, we were overbought for Bitcoin. And when we were overbought for Bitcoin, we were at the top of the candle. We had two tops, potential reversal candle, and started coming down. And now after we start hitting this moving average, RSI is kind of like oversold, but curving back up. So it's a little bit bullish. So I like when we're bouncing off the moving average like this. But generally, your best entries are going to be way under moving average. But we're pairing up to get something very bullish. Let me show you what that is. Right here, you see this yellow line? You see this gold line? This yellow line represents the short-term moving average. This orange represents long-term. If this short-term comes up above that orange, then we're going to be very bullish and probably come up closer to liquidating those shorts. So, all in all, like my market sentiment right now is bullish. I am bullish for crypto right now. If you're bullish on crypto, say more. More. Who's bullish on crypto? Say more. If you're bearish, just say the word honey.
Rah!
All right, I'm gonna put this back real quick for the charts.
Bear burgers.
If you're bullish, put a bull in the YouTube chat. You have to type cow. And if you're bearish, you can put a bear. I'll put them both so you can copy and paste whichever one you're filling. Spam the YouTube chat if you're bullish or bearish. Put the bulls, put the cows. You can do it more than one time. Just keep it going. Let's see what you think. Okay. I'm very happy with this price movement, though. Very happy. Look at that. Let me add the stickers up there for you. Hmm. Hmm. Hello. Yeah. Hello, Joe. There's a limit to number of contracts you can buy, Pepin. Correct. There's a limit to the maximum number of contracts you can buy. Anybody feeling really confident about their position so far?
Yeah, but I'm stuck at 26,800.
How are you stuck at that? We weren't at there. Oh, that's for your real trade, right? Your real trade.
Yeah, I bought that was the dip when the Fed was doing that speech.
Okay. The worst time to trade when the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, speaking. My God, it's a nightmare for traders sometimes.
I mean, I did good. I actually got the bottom, but it did pop up, but it came back to where we're at now.
Yeah, when he's speaking, it's very, very volatile. Very, very volatile.
Well, actually, I took advantage of it because where I bought in, I got more Bitcoin than I had before. But where I messed up is I should have got out at the top.
Yep. That will do it.
So to say, am I confident? Yeah, kinda. It's not too bad a spot. I feel like there's going to be at least 28,000 again, or 27.
Yeah, eventually we'll be back above 28,000.
I'm sorry. Were you asking the people in the competition? I'm sorry.
Yeah, but it's okay. Like, real trades are open too. Doobity doobity doo.
Well,
It's going to the
good
moon.
news. The good news is my average is better than Michael Saylor's.
That is good news. Too bad you don't have as much money as he does. That would be very good news. I think there's people out there with more money than Michael Saylor, Bitcoin value, that got it way cheaper than he did. I think Richard Hart had Bitcoin way cheaper than Michael Saylor.
That is true, but at least I'm in a better position.
Yes, sir. Michael Saylor loves to accumulate Bitcoin. He's like the Bitcoin dragon. You know how dragons like to hoard their gold?
I wonder what Elon's average is on Doge.
Considering that he put that Doge picture when the price was still under 1 cent, we were on YouTube live and the price of Doge was at 0.003. No, 0.00345 range. He tweets that Doge picture. We go from under 1 cent all the way up to 8 cents. Robinhood's glitching out. Exchanges glitching out. So I imagine he bought it somewhere under 1 cent range for a large portion of his bags.
Wow.
Yes, sir. I don't know if he kept buying more at higher prices, higher than like 7 cents, but I think around like between 1 to 7 is that sweet spot where he's been accumulating. All right, guys. It's 9 o'clock. Send me your total equity, and then in 30 more minutes, I'll check again. All right, I got Tel 1. Tel 1 is up there. He's at $52,412. Congratulations, Tel 1. Good job.
$51,020 team.
Bitcoin's pushing up here too.
Mm.
I wonder if people.
My real trade's smashing it at Aptus.
Okay, Alex. I have Alex's as well. Alex is above 52,000 as well. Alex is at $52,042. Joe Pina is at 51,565. How are you doing so far, Dave? Did you short at the beginning, or how did you already lose 11,000 when you first messaged me?
Yeah, I was trying something. I messed up. I had a limit order and tried to do a market order real quick to hedge, and I was missing it, and I couldn't figure out what was wrong, and I finally got it figured out. But
it's good you figured it out, though.
I'm definitely out of the competition for sure.
No, you have time. It's like a whole hour to come back.
Oh yeah. I mean, it sounds like I'm out of it anyway. If they continue.
Well,
I am making a comeback somewhat. I'm at 43.2 now, I think. Right about.
Yeah, 43,200. I'll add it in there. If it makes you feel better, from the first time I asked 30 minutes ago until now, you have the highest percentage growth. I'm just waiting on Cupcake, Rob Coy, Mike P, Jumbo, Fly, Bad Virus Schools, and Triple.
50,700.
50,700. Do you imagine if this was like real money? Some of us would be happy, some of us would be very sad.
I'm making more on my real trade right now, I think.
Since you're making more in your real trade, does that mean you're probably using a little bit more risk?
I'm not really. I'm 150% up. Got Aptus long, got it pretty low.
Oh, okay.
I turned to 360 right now, so I'm not watching it as much as I should, though.
Jimpo's up to 48,873. Let me set another clock for 9:30. Come on, Bitcoin. So how many of you guys in this competition need Bitcoin to break out and go up to liquidate these shorts? Anybody? Would that help your position go up there? Or Ethereum breakout, liquidate shorts?
Yeah, I'm long Bitcoin.
Oh, Ethereum just had a very big sell right there.
Yeah, I'm short on Ethereum.
It's weird. Bitcoin's about to be very bullish, but Ethereum's not getting that same chart. So Bitcoin does look more bullish here than Ethereum for some reason. Is it possible the SEC will revisit their decision about Ethereum as a security or not? That would be interesting.
What time does this competition go to?
10 o'clock, so about 1 hour. 56 more minutes. It's a 2-hour competition. First place will win 200 USDT. I'll send it straight to you on the TRC20 network.
I just gotta make quicker trades then. I've been holding these little positions for now.
No, you don't have to make quicker trades, just the right trades. But yeah, some people going in and out of trades. That's how I won before, going in and out of trades. I did like at least 14 trades before. I'm going to pull up an old video. Don't forget, we're in the bull market still. This is back in February February 2nd, 2023. Some of my trades. And this is just adding up the trades back in February. I need to make more videos like this for the documentation. Stack it up by the days. Right now the goal is to accumulate more crypto rather than dollars though. Most of these trades are like ETH, Doge, Bitcoin. I have a few videos like that. What?
I noticed with the demo account, it doesn't let you trade everything.
Yeah, it doesn't let you trade. Yeah, because there would not be enough liquidity. Not enough people use the demo. All right, got batter virus goals. Just looking for goals. Mike, Rob, and cupcakes. 60-minute mark. I made some videos, but like they only got like hundreds of views, not even 1,000 for some of those videos showing the profits. So I slowed down on making those, and then like the YouTube shorts. Like these YouTube shorts are like great audio at the time, and then not a lot of views. Like I'll pull up this one. This is a Dogecoin shorts going down memory lane.
5% should be a good amount. Below 5 is secure.
Look at this breakout. Don't forget we can get breakouts like this again. Oh, Bitcoin is around the same price.
Resistance at
We broke resistance, and now we're waiting again.
Big price on Doge. Woohoo!
Oh, dude, guys, look at this video from this.
DMA went over this little green line that
No more than 10%. You know.
My God, the price is
a good amount. Below 5 is secure.
The prices that we are at now are very similar to when we broke out before right here. That's very interesting. It might do something similar. I'm going to share this in Charts channel.
What was the Doge price there?
So at the beginning of that video, it's very hard to see. Let me restart it. It was about 6.3 down here at the Golden Cross. 6.3 at the Golden Cross. And Bitcoin was about 26,000 as well. So, and then we had this nice breakout. And this was oh no. It doesn't show me what date I put this on here. I have to check. $299 people saw that short. But if you go to my channel, like if you're a member, some of you guys are members, I put stuff in the members as well. But if you go to the shorts, some of these shorts are like very entertaining. I like this Jim Cramer short. This one's funny.
Former year-to-date is SVB Financial, don't yawn. This company's a merchant bank with a deposit base that Wall Street had been mistakenly concerned about. SVB is the old Silicon Valley Bank. Recently bought one of our favorite research firms, Nathanson, and it's become less dependent upon private equity and venture capitalist offerings. Wait a second. Those dried up last year, they could come back. Yeah, some of them come back here, but the stock directly affects an oversold position. Stock was the fourth worst performer in 2022. I think the fears were not justified. It's a very compelling situation. Hey, by the way, long-term private equity and venture capital, they're not going away. Being the banker to these immense pools of capital has always been a very good business. Stock's still cheap. Now
Oh my God, SVB. This thing tanked. SVB. Let's go look at SVB real quick.
Performer year to date is
SVB. It got delisted. Look at this stock that Jim Cramer recommended. He recommended it when it was like up here. Hmm. This is when Jim Cramer recommends SVB. That's where he gets paid to do this shit. And then we just tanked down like 69%. It had the biggest sell volume that we've seen on the daily. And then it got delisted from the exchange. It's not $106. Like, it went down to like 30, under $30. This thing got delisted. Silicon Valley Bank. All right. So at 9:30, I'll be asking again for the balances. And is anybody above 60,000 yet for the demo trading competition? Oh boy. I'm about to get blocked again by Billy M2K. I'm a fucking... He's gonna block me from this one. So apparently Susan Lee, she bought the new iPhone and she said it got pickpocketed. Susan Lee says her new iPhone 15 Pro Max was pickpocketed out of her bag as she is walking home from work. Hashtag New York City crime levels are at disturbing heights. I said, that's one way of getting a phone number at Billy M2K. Was it you? I think Billy has a crush on her, so I thought it would be good to spark some interesting thing out of a bad event. Although his chances are slim. But yeah, imagine getting pickpocketed for your new iPhone. So I just had a very interesting thought. You know how these bank Chase wants to cancel these crypto payments in the United Kingdom. If it happens in America, I think Ets.com maybe will end up becoming one of the biggest financial institutions. If Elon Musk can give people the power to spend their money how they want to spend it, it's very easy to attract business. And generally, the people that have money are the ones that want to spend the money how they want to. Generally, the people that have no money to spend, they don't care about these policies that these banks are making. They're like, oh, Bitcoin. I never bought a Bitcoin. What is a Bitcoin? They don't care about the crypto. But some of these free, independent Americans that care, that have the money, they'll move to Ets.com if Elon makes a financial institution. It's going to happen. So we'll be saved again by Elon from a problem that these guys are making. Elon will be the savior. Okay. 15 more minutes I'll be checking. Reminder, the competition ends in about 45 minutes. Someone made a meme about Ben Armstrong. This is actually a very funny meme. I gotta put it in the meme channel. I don't know who made this meme, but I see it going around. It says Ben Theft Auto. I gotta put it in the Share Your Memes channel. This is funny. So this is the interesting part. This girl up here on the right side, from my understanding, Ben was paying her company $50,000 a month for consultation. But this is the woman that Ben was cheating on his wife with, his mistress. So it's almost like this is his sugar babe, and her company is getting paid $50,000 a month. How many of you guys would pay a sugar babe $50,000 a month? That's an outrageous number.
Yeah, that was great.
I don't think anybody in my Discord would pay a sugar babe $50,000 a month. That's crazy.
He's got up in the Gucci suit sitting on top of the Lamborghini.
Oh man.
I won't do it again, Tame. Trust me.
I mean, he's asking you guys for money for donations because he says his brand was stolen from him. But at the same time, he showed a lot of shitty stuff. He showed a lot of stuff. He was trying to get people to buy Luna before it crashed down 99.99%. He even made a video about it. Very interesting that he would make a video right before it crashes 99%. And if he got paid for that, even more big. His FTX lawsuit got dropped though. Shorting Luna is like one of my best trades in crypto for my shorts. My second biggest short was shorting FTX. My third was shorting Gala Games. Oddly enough, I experimented in shorting with Gala Games first though.
That was recently.
No, I shorted Gala first a long time ago on KuCoin.
How come you didn't do this last one?
What last one? Price is too low.
On Gala Games, it was dumping. When,
price is too low.
I'm talking about when the owners were fighting.
Yeah, price is too low for me to short Gala. I think I shorted Gala at 36 cents. So if price is down like more than 90% for my first short, I'm probably not going to short it again near bottoms.
Smart.
Oh.
It's not about getting every trade. It's about keeping the profit you make.
Yeah, because when price is down 90%, the chance of it going up 100%, 200% overnight while you're sleeping is very high. And I already posted the article about Gala Games in the Discord. I'm not sure if it was last week or a week before that, where they were allowing people to convert Town for Gala. And they were going to close down that Town Star coin for the new update. D-Block said that girl is mid. It's the filters. I don't care if the girl's a 10 out of 10. 50,000 a month? Man bankrupting himself. Man could have multiple Lamborghinis. Multiple Lamborghinis. Oh, man. 50,000 a month. I don't know. That's crazy. There must be some other things included with that. Maybe some powder or something. I don't know. 50,000 a month? That's insane. There has to be like some other thing with it. I'm curious if she was like generally attracted to him as well.
think
D-Block.
half of that would have been her coke addiction. I think.
D-Block says she was responsible for the steak endorsement that brought in $1 million a month. Yeah, it's $1 million a month to the hit studio, but I don't know if Ben was able to get that $1 million a month, or if they kept that money from him. And he kept talking about getting blackmailed. Like, what would they have him for on blackmail?
How much are you up so far, Tame, on the demo account?
Oh, it's down. Demo account is down. I'm not in the competition. I just kept my original one. My demo account is down. I'll pull it up real quick. My demo account is down 31,000.
I thought you were in the trading competition. No worries.
No, I'm not. I entered one trade just to track the time at the beginning of the competition. Just like 11 contracts. But the highest person so far that sent me their position is up to 52,412. I'll check again in 9 minutes.
Wait, they're up 2,000 or wait 200? How much are they up?
$2,000 profit.
Gotcha.
Yeah, when we go to Miami, though, I highly suggest you stay on your best behavior. Don't do things that people could record to blackmail you. If you're going to do something you're proud to be recorded doing, right? Don't be doing some weird stuff. Like, if you get drunk at the bar and walk away with a woman that looks like a bear, don't feel ashamed. Some of us might make a video of you. We're not going to blackmail you and hold it over your head, though. At least I won't. But, like, don't be doing anything illegal, right? Don't be trying to encourage people to break the law or do insider trading or stuff like that. It's not going to be welcomed. Reminder, we have that Miami meetup on October 30th to November 2nd. It's going to be fun. Hope to see quite a few of you guys there. The Discord channel has information. It's the Miami meetup channel. So book your flights, book your hotels or your Airbnb, whatever you're going to stay at, so that we can meet up and hang out in Miami, do some pictures, go to some places together, maybe some events. When I went to California, I met over 30 of the Discord members. California, we have a lot of people from Discord. I went to San Diego. I went to Hollywood. Met a lot of people. It's pretty cool. Yeah, you notice here, Ethereum had that big sell pressure before anything else on the charts. Like, Bitcoin is still holding. But I think Bitcoin, because it's traded at lower volume, that may be why. But also, I feel Bitcoin's more bullish than Ethereum at this moment in time. You should try to clean up some disk space on your computer goals. Hard drives are cheaper now than they were last year, so could be a good time to get an M.2 if your computer supports an M.2. I would buy Samsung. Those are pretty good brands. Yeah, M.2 is fast. Well, M.2 is faster than, it's like a good version of SSDs. It goes straight to the motherboard, no cables. You guys see the stock market today from TradingView's point of view? Oh, that's not good. Yeah, if you're going to have any of these crypto wallets like Dogecoin, or if you have any nodes on your computer, you definitely need space. This is what TradingView tweeted earlier to show their sentiment about the stock market taking a hit today. You can see this zone, lots of red. You have Microsoft, Google, JP Morgan, Facebook, which is Meta now, Apple, Nvidia. So a lot of stocks did tumble a little bit, but I know some of these stocks are near all-time highs, like Nvidia though. Nvidia just hit an all-time high recently. Tesla, very close to highs recently as well from the local dip. So some of these things were in the overbought range.
You can give some TA on that on the SPY after we're done with this trading competition. Got some good stuff on that.
What's your total equity at right now, Triple?
Not a lot. I'm at 50,600. I'm only up $600. Been doing pretty low leverage. I didn't know it was just a 2-hour competition, so should have stepped it up on the leverage and more trades. But
yeah, about 33 minutes left. We are getting some buys over here for Big Daddy Bitcoin. It already bounced off the moving average quite well. Ethereum slipped under the moving average a little bit more. It has a short-term price target of 349, but on the 4-hour we can go up to 40 range, which would be a very big movement for that spot trade. How long have you been using MEXC, Triple?
I'd say less than a week.
How do you like it?
It's pretty nice. I came over from KuCoin, and trading fees are a lot better.
Oh,
doing this the whole time.
Yeah, way cheaper.
Bag.
Man, it's way cheaper.
The difference is unreal.
But KuCoin's starting to close your accounts if you're American. Like, you're not even going to be able to trade without KYC.
Yeah, and they won't let you KYC. That's why I stopped using them. I couldn't do futures anymore.
Yep, they won't even let you withdraw a deposit either, so you have to be careful. Like, if you're still in KuCoin, you need to get everything out of KuCoin.
Yeah, that's what I did. I think I might have a few spot coins. Thanks for reminding me.
I don't know anybody on the Discord still using KuCoin, but just a warning for some of you guys that are. I'm using MEXC, I'm using BidFi. BidFi is a little bit lower leverage for stuff like Doge. But each exchange has their benefits. Like sometimes a token will get listed on MEXC that's not listed on BidFi, or vice versa. But right now MEXC has cheaper trading fees. If you're using limit orders, it doesn't matter as much for trading fees. But if you're not using limit orders and you're just doing market, you're going to get killed on fees. Okay, guys. It's 9:30. We have 30 minutes left in this competition. Please send me your total equity, or you can say it out loud as well. Just say your name and then say the equity if you're going to say it out loud, though.
Triple Bastard, 51260 as of right now.
All right. Alex, what's your balance? You guys can type it to me if you don't want to say it out loud as well. I just think it's interesting how we progress every 30 minutes.
Mine's 50,950. Fly.
Okay. Alex Tudo. Alex is at 50,981. He was at up, so 50,981. So some people went down in the last 30 minutes. I can see that.
I just took profit on that long, switching to short.
Huh.
Used to demo trading, team. Some of the coins don't seem to let me open them. Like USDTM, and other than BTC, it won't let me open those.
There's a limit to the number of contracts you can open.
Oh, even across coins.
Yeah, there's a maximum limit.
Okay, thanks.
It should say on there. It should have a pop-up.
Yeah.
What up, Time?
Doing this futures trading competition in Discord. Jimpo's up to 52,569.
What coin y'all on?
What?
What coin are y'all on?
No. So we're not all trading the same coin. We're just on a futures competition. They're trading different coins.
Oh, okay.
Right now, though, I put a chart on HETS for the goal about 3 days ago that it would go up 4%. We hit that 4% today. We came up there for HETS, hit it, and then started retracing back down. And then we have a new goal at 004, so a 16% swing up for HETS on the spot. Not sure how long it'll play out, but hopefully 7 days or less. But 16%, I would wait. I would wait at least 30 days to get 16% if I really had to. Mike P is up to 51,868. So, reminder, your trades need to be closed at that 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern in 27 minutes. So, there's going to be cheaper trading fee if you do limit versus market. I would hate to make you guys market close or panic close at that last minute, so think about that where you want to end. L1 is at 51,471. Quite a few trading competitions so far. One of the most common themes that I see is that people say this, they're like, if I didn't make that last trade, I would have won. Sometimes that last trade, it was what makes them lose the difference between winning or not. That last overtrade, that last minute that their market closing or they entered at the top of the pump hoping to get that last extra thing. So don't be that guy. If your trades aren't closed like within 5 minutes of the competition ending, you may be in a bad spot. If you're market closing, you're going to be paying those higher fees. You're going to have less equity. The goal is to have the highest equity at the end of this competition so that you win the first place prize of 200 USDT. There goes Bitcoin pushing up here. It's following the target. And this is a falling wedge target. What's a double bottom? So we have falling wedge, double bottom, and the current target for that is 26,500. 26,500 for that Bitcoin play. I hope for your guys' sake that we come up there and liquidate those shorts before the end of this competition. Hope you guys have plenty of time to close your trades. We still have 26 minutes. Are you still here, Cupcake? Cupcake did not report for the last 30 minutes. Let's see though. But I posted a video, a YouTube short earlier in the Discord. And if you look at that video on the charts channel, we're at similar price levels. So we're at similar price levels of this video. And it was off of news of SEC's news. And recently the Congress in America is asking Gary Gensler to approve these Bitcoin ETFs. So I think if he's forced to approve these ETFs, it's going to send Bitcoin above that $32,000 mark this time. Okay, thank you, Cupcake. I got it in there. Okay. I'm going to step away for like 2 minutes and I'll come back. I'm back. Does look like Bitcoin's trying to push up there. We are still bullish on crypto. Still bullish on crypto.
I hope Larry buys soon. Have you heard about the wallet that's buying 200 Bitcoin every day?
Nope.
Yeah, Google it or look it up. It's true, I heard.
It's true you heard, or have you seen it?
I heard it on a show, but I don't remember.
You have the address.
Let me look into it.
What leverage are you guys using in this trading competition?
The highest leverage is 200 times. You can use any leverage up to 200 times on MEXC. But
yeah, no, I was just wondering if anyone was like by the keyboard and getting their input on which one they were using. I'm using up to 20x, but most of them has been like 7x.
Yeah, as long as they're not using their whole margin. Like, you can't use a whole margin 200 times without big chance of liquidation.
It won't even let you do that, as far as I can tell.
Yeah, you can't do your whole bag. If you could, you would be liquidated very easily.
I'm guessing they'll only let you use half your bag up to when you're 200x, so they could still liquidate all your money.
Well, on the demo account, there's just like a maximum number of contracts you can do based off of your total equity. And I think they do that just so people don't wreck the demo trading charts. But the demo trading price are still, for like Bitcoin, similar to the regular future trading price for Bitcoin. Oh my God. Look, if a company like Costco starts selling 1 ounce gold bars, I think gold's going to start coming down in price. I put a gold chart in the Discord the other day. Definitely gold is in a nice sell area. Man, I posted my gold chart on the Discord 2 days ago before this started happening. Kramer started talking about gold today.
Is Kramer saying to buy gold?
Yeah, he's trying to get people to go buy the gold bars at Costco.
Oh, time is short. So Costco's trying to dump their gold, is what I'm
possibly
hearing. No one will buy it. These idiots will. Wonder if they sell it at a less than market price.
Well, they can. If they would have got it cheaper to market price, like go to the chart channel. I'll pull up on Discord real quick. Go to Discord charts.
I'm getting ready to do a hair trigger trade. Might have to flash close. So I'll definitely
okay.
look at it after this competition.
But this is my gold chart, YouTube. Basically, I have the red blocks indicator built as well. I didn't release that. I gave green blocks to people for free. But my last green block for gold at 16.17. And then the red blocks are rolling in the 1900 range, so about $300 higher. So it's very possible if they got their gold down here and they start selling it up here, that's about $300 profit per ounce. So one gold bar, that's 1 ounce that they're selling, about $300 profit margin. Not bad, not bad at all. And who do they use to market this? Jim Kramer. Oh.
But wouldn't they normally sell that to like actual businesses? Why would they be trying to sell it to consumers unless like no one wants to buy it from the market? You know what I'm saying?
Because Costco has the inventory space to keep 1 ounce gold bars, and they know that people will buy them. I mean, it's expensive. The price of gold per ounce right now is over $1,900. So it's not a bad time for them to sell it if they think the price is going to go down too. But if you guys want to see charts like this when I post them, join the Discord. The cheapest way to join the Discord is 5,555 hits. The cheapest way right now. Come on, Doge. Push up to liquidate the high leverage short. One Elon tweet. Guys, we have 13 minutes left in this competition. You may want to start thinking about your strategy of closing your trades inside this competition. If I say the word gold, what Twitter user do you think of? Peter Schiff is the guy I think of. Peter Schiff. He's the man. Always see him talking about gold. You guys remember when AMC bought that gold mining company? That was very interesting. They bought the stock. You have about 10 minutes. 10 minutes left in the demo future trading competition.
Oh, I thought you said there was only a couple, like 5 minutes left before.
No.
My bad. Took a loss for no reason.
I mentioned you guys don't want to be holding when there's only 5 minutes left. You don't want to be using instant close, market close. You'll pay higher fees. 10 p.m. Eastern is when we close. 10 p.m. Eastern.
Up to 53,000 change equity.
You're up to 53. Are you still trading?
Nah, I'm gonna stop here.
All right. Is anybody above 53,000? They're not going to tell you now.
I was at 55,800 10 minutes ago.
Okay, wow.
I lost 1K right now.
Almost. But are you above 53?
Yeah.
You're above 53,000, Jimpo. Okay.
I was almost at 56.
Oh, wow. Anybody above 60,000? Nine minutes left in the competition. 9 whole minutes. 9 minutes in the competition, and Bitcoin is still under this liquidation block. Right here is when we started the competition. What? This is not when we started the competition. My chart got messed up. Right here. Yeah. Yeah, this is when we started the competition. Right here. So we had a little bit of volatility during this time when we started the competition. So let's put Bitcoin on the 30-minute chart real quick. Sorry, 30-second chart. And let's just zoom in here. This is the 30-second chart, so each candle represents 30 seconds. But if you look here, from the moment we started, we really started it right here. This is when we started. But since we started till now, we went up, got overbought, then we had a falling wedge. The falling wedge did not really play out great, but it did go back up. And then we actually ended up with a higher price than when we started the competition. So this is how the competition has gone so far. About an hour, 53 minutes. This is what our chart has looked like during this competition. And then I'm going to take a screenshot at the end so you guys can see this Bitcoin chart. "30-second chart. It's interesting. We had very little volume during this time. I like to pick times where there isn't too much volume. Not too much volume. The question is, will Bitcoin break up there before? But guys, don't be closing trades after that 10 o'clock. You have 6 minutes to start wrapping up your trades, so plenty of time.
Is there a second and third place, or just first?
Just first place. But when MEXC sponsors the competitions, sometimes for the people that signed up on my link, they have like for like the top 10, I believe. They'll do like first place gets like the highest prize and then lower amounts for everything under. They sponsored 2 trading competitions for us so far. So that was like that's like $2,000 in prizes they gave out so far to the people that signed up on the link from those futures competitions. I'm sponsoring this one today for just one person for 200 USDT. But I've already sponsored quite a few competitions before. And I'll try to get MEXC to sponsor another one coming up. But we'll have to see what day. When MEXC sponsor, it usually lasts for like at least a week. So that's the difference. The one I'm doing, this is just like a 2-hour competition. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Still getting up a little bit up. We're at the top of the screen candle here. Just rolled in on this new 5-minute candle. This will be our last 5-minute candle. Since we're only going to have 4 minutes left, we'll switch everything to the 1-minute candles. Put everything on 1 minute since we only have a few minutes left. You can watch it. Four minutes left. Bitcoin's pushing up a little bit. I hope that is helping some of you guys.
No, it's sticking away.
I'm up to 54, 250. Flash close.
Why are you flash closing? That's very high fees.
Except just learned it.
Oh, okay. So flash close does count as a market. And you're going to pay those higher fees.
There's like zero maker fees, right? But taker, it's so low anyway. Even
Taker 0.01%.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, but 0.01, and if you're on a high leverage or using a high margin, that still adds up.
Yeah, I'm not saying it's great.
That fee could be like $300 if you're trading with 50,000.
Yeah, fair.
On spot right now, MEXC spot has 0% maker, 0% taker on spot.
Yeah, it's amazing. That's what I'm saying. MEXC is really good and fair.
If I really wanted to, I could just do market buy, market sell for hets to create volume, since it's 0 fee right now. But I would probably lose the number of tokens by doing that. Guys, we have 2 minutes. If I were you, I would start wrapping up your trades.
Yep, I just sent you my screenshot.
All right.
I'm out right at that little double top at ETH.
Okay, guys, start wrapping up, then send me your screenshots. 2 minutes. Try not to trade after because you'll get disqualified. Oh, triple you into $51,000. $3.
Hey, you weren't supposed to say that out loud. Did you read what my message said?
I did not read your message. Oh, yeah. Well, I was questioning in my head why the balance was different.
Yeah.
That's why I was trying to confirm with you. I thought you might have sent the wrong screenshot or something.
No, that was the right one.
My God. All right. 1 minute. Definitely wrap up your trades because when that buzzer goes off, you should not be in a trade. Wrap up. Send me your screenshot. It'd be nice if you send me your screenshot before my alarm goes off. Thank you. It's going to go off any second now. I'm going to mark right here, competition end.
Send them before the buzzer or you're DQ'd.
All right, so this is going to be... I mean, that wasn't bad. So mostly it was like a nice uptrend for the competition. This is Bitcoin 30.
That was actually really useful for me getting used to MEXC, doing some quick scalps and seeing the fees. So appreciate it. Thanks, bud.
You're welcome. Put this chart down. Check all your screenshots. Send me your screenshots now. Close your trades now. Thank you. I'm going to close this trade now so I know that it is done. I'll just flash close it so that I get the time. This is only 11 contracts. That's nothing. I don't think it's even $1.
Yeah, instant close on a big trade does cost.
All right, send me your screenshots, everyone. Screenshot of your ending balance and click the position history tab as well, so I can see your position history.
I didn't win, Tame, by 50,800, so I'm not going to bother sending it through.
Okay, but like, I want to put it in there so that I know, so I don't question.
That's still almost 2% profit. That's nothing to shake a stick at, you know.
Yep. If you made more than 100, that's pretty good.
The demo, I haven't been trading on the laptop for ages, so I don't know. Some of the coins I couldn't open it up. I don't know what was going on. It's isolated. It was a bit weird for me. Anyway, I learned a little bit that I don't know demo trading well.
Alex Tudo. 50. Cupcake. Adding cupcake in there. So there were some people that did not give me their balances at all during this competition. I don't know if they just went AFK or what in the beginning. But we'll see here. Tell one, got your balance. Jimpo. Oh boy, Jimpo. Yeah, I tell you, that last trade, Jimpo, that will get people sometimes. Last trade. Heard it so many times.
I'm in a good little trade right now on FKR in real life.
You know, bro, it's always in the end, it's when BTC is turning around down, and I short the top, the competition ends, I have to close the trades, then they start printing. Right now, I could be up like more 8k on this red candle. But I think it's still... Who's in first right now?
Jimbo, what kind of leverage were you using, if you don't mind me asking?
200x always.
Oh.
Mike makes money earned 64 cents during that competition.
Profit is profit. As long as you ain't losing.
Joe Pina, I got your screenshot here. I'll read the numbers in a minute. I'm just looking through real quick. And if you can, send me a screenshot with the position history tab as well. Thank you guys. I'll look at those trades. Dave says family matters. Oh, Dave, got your balance in here as well. So Rob Coy, are you here? And goals? Rob Coy and goals? Let me message goals.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Is that Rob Coy? What's up, Rob? Smokecat.
Hey, what's up, Mocha? How you doing, sir?
I'm doing pretty good, brother. How you been?
I've been all right. Good to hear from you.
Good to hear from you too. My new screen name's Triple. But yeah, good to hear you, bro.
Thank you, Tel One. Rob, just need your ending total equity and goals as well. I'll read the results afterwards.
50,232.
50,000. 332.
232.
232.
232.
Goals.
I got family here and pizza. So
goals said 49,956 in YouTube chat. So let's go through and highlight everybody that ended in the green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of you guys ended in the green. So big congratulations.
Profit, profit, profit.
Only 3 of you ended in red.
Oh, look at Bitcoin. Right now, I will be up more 10k at least. The competition always ends in the top.
Wow. So just going to take a screenshot and put it in the Discord, and I'll read it out loud as well. The balances. I'll put this in the Crypto Talk channel. So, actually, I'll put it in an announcements channel. All right, I put it in an announcements channel if you guys want to look. I'm going to pull it up on YouTube real quick, though. So on YouTube, this is what it looks like. The winner of the futures trading competition was Jimpo. And if you look here, I'm going to open this in the browser. Go back over here. The ending balance for most of these traders, green. This was on the MEXC futures demo trading platform, so it's a good learning experience. I'm glad to see at least this many people green. More than half is a good win for the Discord. At least more than half. And it's a fun competition. The ending balance for Jimpo was $53,020. He had a lot more, but he lost $2,000 on his last trade. I'm going to pull that up as well to show you guys what I was talking about. That last trade is the one that can wreck you sometimes. That last trade.
You know, in my main account, I took the same trades, and they are so up right now because I don't have to close them. You know,
I'm gonna open your screenshot. So actually, Jimpo did a lot of trades.
Yeah, what I did was I shorted the first local top, and I went to have dinner, and I really don't want to make too much trades because on 200x we can make 10k very fast. So then I came here. I was fixing my own trades, and I was kind of catching those green and red candles at the start. Then we went up a bit, so I could take some limit orders on the longs. Then I shorted the top, but we inversed, so I market sold them and I longed. I took profits again. Now I was shorting this top. Right now I would take the massive profits, but the competition ended red, but still not losing too much, you know, at the end. So at one point I closed, my balance was 55,800. I was green until 58 or 59, but I didn't took profits. And in the end I lost 2k, that's why I ended at 5-3.
Yeah, I have your trades up here.
6-5 now. If I took profits on the shorts now, at this moment, I would be like at 6-5, 6-3. Okay. Yeah, but no, bro.
Yeah, I'm checking. You lost your last 4 trades, but you still had that ending balance. Your ending balance was still high enough to put you first place, $53,020. So, congratulations. Those last trades, like when you're trying to make that last minute decision, lesson learned, don't do it. You'll get wrecked.
No, those last trades were my shorts from the beginning that I was keep adding to them. So I was waiting them to take profits at the end, you know, but the competition ended, so I had to close them. They were my edge and my biggest profits.
I see.
I closed them, I think I closed at $200 each one negative.
So, you know, if you go to the funding tab, you go to that funding tab, you can see how much you paid in fees also. I wonder how much the fees were at the end there too.
Oh, insane.
Like, can you tell me how much you paid in fees for your biggest trade?
I can stream for you if you need.
Hey Jimbo, good job. 6% profit in 2 hours. That's pretty fucking amazing.
Yeah, but the funny part of this is that I shouldn't do any of this. With one trade, with a bit more margin, and one limit order, I could make much more with only one trade, you know. I was trading 4 coins, longing at the same time and closing at the same time, but I could do the same at only one with a lot of more margin, and one limit order to sell the trade would give me much more, you know. I was kind of having fun making some trades, and because I never use 50k in my account, right?
It's really nice though, Jimbo.
She was enough. On Shiv, you know, usually we are so near liquidation on 200x on our main accounts that trading here is so funny, bro. It's like we are kind of mad when the chart is lagging because demo lags a bit compared to futures on normal accounts. Yeah, it was fun. Thank you, Tim.
You're welcome. Proud of you. All you have to do is send me your USDT address on the TRC20 network, and I'll send you that 200 USDT, Jimbo.
Hey, don't worry. I'll send it for him.
You'll send it for me?
No, I'll send the address for Jimbo.
Ah.
Just kidding.
That was very quick, Tame.
What was quick? The competition?
Your wit just then. You'll send it for me?
Well, that's what he said. He said he'll send it. I already have the USDT and it sends fast. Are you on MEXC, Jimbo?
Yeah, but if you're gonna use USDT, I will give you a Binance address and not a MEXC, okay?
Why not MEXC?
Because every profit I make on MEXC, I take out, for I don't gamble it on futures, because MEXC is for my 200x, so all my profits I have to take out.
So you're seeing it from Binance. Is it on the TRC20 network?
Yeah, I will take it now.
Yeah, just double check that it's on TRC20 network and then send it to me. Yeah, I have the tether ready to send to you right now, though. If anybody wants to use that same platform we're using, MEXC, yeah, it has the lowest trading fees right now, but you can also do the futures to get education. But yeah, get your address, send it to me, I'll send you that tether.
Yeah, no rush. But it's there. So what about Bitcoin? I'm shorting this last.
So let me double check this real quick.
You just took profit on the MKR short. It's a nice little profit right there, around 10%.
Oh, Bitcoin is bouncing still. I can't cheat here.
Jimbo, what trades are you looking to get in real life? Did you say something?
I shorted this last green candle on the same time I shorted on demo. I shorted on my account too. But I will take profits right now. I will be stop loss.
Are you using 200x? Do you trade 200x in real life too, or?
Yeah.
But he doesn't use his whole margin. That's the thing. It's cross margin, and he has more money on the side to defend the position. It's not like you're gambling. I made a video about like a 200 times but $0 liquidation strategy. You can't use your whole margin on 200 times or you'll get wrecked.
Yeah, it's like a variable margin. You can just up it up to 200.
Yeah, and when you don't have too much experience or you are too afraid of losing money or something, if you still want to use that leverage, you should use that zero liquidation price and just make fast scalps. Don't sleep on your trades. If you don't have that experience to manage, you should just make fast scalps, take profits, go sleep. Sometimes I win so big on 200x, but if I keep the trades open and I don't watch them and I'm doing my things, I can get wrecked because if Bitcoin dumps, your stop losses will not save you. So fast scalps. And
I just sent you the tether.
Yeah, I'm trying to break the habit of making too many trades. I'm trying to get in the habit of staying in trades longer, lower leverage, and trusting TA. I tend to have pretty spot on TA. I just psych myself out of positions, out of the long term moves. But that's freaking awesome. The high leverage in and out stuff that works. That we're making money off that. That's great. I'm just trying to develop a little bit different trading style.
Tame is the boss using this 200x strategy. I already lost money on it. Tame is the boss doing it.
You just have to be able to keep positions open longer and not get scared out. It's better for stuff like Doge, accumulate the bottoms. But yeah, did you get the tether, Jimpo?
Not yet, but don't worry, Tame. When I receive it, I take a print screen and
Okay.
I send you. No problem. I will be here tomorrow and next week, so no worries, no rush.
All right, cool. Yeah, great. Most of you guys ended the green. That's very good, though. I like that.
The last competition I didn't join. I wasn't here, but the other 4 before, I was in first place on all of them, and I made that last short on the top. It was like today. I didn't took. I had to take profits before they play out, so I lose some of that money on those market sells, and then I end up being on second or third because of that. And today I risked again doing that, but those last trades would give me 10k, so it's worth risking it.
Anybody else have anything they would like to say about their trades from the competition? Or anything they learned or wish they would have done differently? So with the demo, I thought people were going to make more risky trades, honestly. I thought that the average ending percentage would be at least 10 to 20% away from the starting balance, but only a few people ended 10 to 20% away from the starting balance. And some of those were like negative. But yeah, I applaud the guys that did not take too much risks there, though. Steady profits. If someone had $50,000 and could earn what you guys earned every single day, I'm gonna add that real quick.
Yeah, just to be in the video in the same stream, I received the deposit. It's already here. Thank you, Tame.
Okay, great.
MEXC is faster than Binance on those transactions, by the way.
Congratulations. Winner, winner, winner.
You weren't using 200x, bro, today?
Oh, I don't know what was going on. I haven't traded on my laptop in ages. I couldn't get all the coins opening that I wanted to. I don't know what's going on. I have to play with demo more before I do that again. And my laptop. I couldn't even work out screenshots. It's been so long since I was on my laptop. I was pressing F3 instead of 3. And it was all good. Man, I was like, what the hell? I was starting to send you old screenshots. I was going to, whatever. It was fun.
Yeah, demo is a bit, it's lagging. I made more money.
If I was on it, I would have opened up everything and just gone long and just flash closed the lot, but it didn't turn out that way.
Yeah, you should use a few tabs with all of the coins. I think we only had 6 coins to use, or 5. And 2 of them were trading against BTC. I don't know if you saw. Each BTC green candle, they were going down and opposite.
You can't use all the coins on demo. Okay.
Yeah, you. I think it were 5 or 6 today available. I used all of them.
That's the problem. I was trying to get Aptos and a few others, and I couldn't get them. I was like, "What is
Yeah.
my arm?"
Yeah.
Because I hadn't used it, I'm just blaming myself. Like I'm pressing the wrong button. I'll get you next.
No problem. Next time I will use more margin. Because before the competition I made more money than during the competition when I was trying to liquidate the account to put more to raise up the balance.
I made more yesterday with $300.
Holy.
Well, I was stupid yesterday. I was up $1,500 and then I lost $600 on my last trade. So when Tame was saying your last trade, I was like, damn. It's all good.
Yeah. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Sometimes when I see that I did shit is when I do those bad trades. Then I go watch BTC chart. I zoom out and I feel like stupid because I opened that trade in a bad spot for a 4-hour or a 1-hour chart. It made no sense to risk that much. Kind of buying a dip after 4 hours of pumping when you just dipped 1%, or it's like you get wrecked, but you zoom out and you see that you were stupid by doing that. So
I know you open it. What an idiot! What did I do this for? And then you try and defend it.
Now I'm gonna edge it. You keep
guys,
the game on.
You guys want to see something interesting? If that trend continues, I'll put it in the Crypto Talk channel. If you guys started with 50K and earned that same amount as the competition today, here's your 1-year earnings.
Bro.
Look at the Crypto Talk channel. Let's look at this numbers real quick.
I need to win 50K somewhere to start.
You don't need to win it, you need to earn it somewhere.
Yeah, I will play on the bets or something.
No, not earn it slowly. Oh, look at Het's getting a little bit of a pump right here. Let's go to Discord real quick though. If you guys earned 50,000, I mean, if you started with 50,000 and that was what you earned every time, then here's what your balances would be like in like a year. Alex would end up with 510,000. Dave would end up with negative $5 million. Cupcake would end up with negative 1.2 million. That's like if you had those losses every day for like 365 days. I mean, that's still better than Citadel Capital. Tell one, even a measly $40 per day would net him $14,600 a year. Joe Pina, earning $350 per day, would be $127,000 a year. Rob Coy, earning $232 a day, would be $84,000 a year. Sorry, $84,680. Mike Makes Money, earning 64 cents a day, would be $233 in a year. Mike P, earning $508 a day, would be $185,000 a year. Jimpo, earning $3,000 a day, would be $1.1 million a year. YNFT is earning 800 a day, would be 292,000 a year. Batter Virus earning $292 a day would be 106,580. Goals losing $44 a day. The math on this one's wrong. My bad. No, it's about right. No, it's not right. It's not right. The math is wrong for goals. Triple earning $1,003 a day would be 366,000 a year. Have to pull this one up. But yeah, it's pretty interesting numbers. Something to think about, food for thought. Yeah. All right, you got the Tether Jimpo. But yeah, guys, so when you have the money, don't gamble it away. Like, even if you only have $100 in your bank right now, don't gamble it away. Go out there, find furniture and stuff, and put it on Facebook Marketplace. Try to earn money. Slow accumulation can work over time.
Oh, this Tether? This is already in Binance to buy Doge on the next dip. I will put right now a buy order, like some of these at 5.9, 5.8. I will see.
Okay.
Doge to the moon. But
Dogecoin to the moon. Let's go Doge to the moon.
With the Binance Fed going on, taking the money out to a wallet is kind of the best option right now, no?
Yeah, Dogecoin wallet or something like that.
You gotta start moving now, Doge. Doge to the moon.
Woo! Man, my God, let me measure this Hertz candle real quick. This is a 5-minute candle, and it just started 3 more minutes in the candle. But it went up like 1.4% for Hertz down here. It'd be interesting if MEXC did list it on futures because it is the lowest liquidity. I don't think there's enough liquidity for it to be on futures yet, though. Top of the green. Don't forget we're in a bull market. Bull market.